You can see the trees and some of the avalanche debris down there. We're now out East Fork on Hindman View Road. See the crown of the avalanche up here. Looks to be about 3 or 4 feet deep, and it failed right at the ground. Well, unfortunately I just missed that one. You can see the debris coming down into the river there. It's about a little after 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and I just witnessed an avalanche coming down through these trees, heard a bunch of trees snapping. The thing was cooking, going about 30-40 miles an hour probably until it hit the river, so I'm going to see if I can get a closer look. There's a wet slab that is pulled out right above Warm Springs here. You can see the deer are safe, out of the way. Good job. Avalanches crossing footpaths along the Warm Springs golf course, aka the dog park in Ketchum. There are avalanches all along, you can see them in the distance there, all along this pathway as far as I care to walk, and all the way back this direction. Loose wet or wet slab avalanches. Plenty enough to bury you. Broken some trees up to 6 and 8 inches in diameter. Here we're at Hindman View in East Fork. An avalanche initiated in that bare spot up there. Came down through this opening. Took out about 15 or 20 mature trees. 12 to 16 inches in diameter. Came down, unfortunately stopped just shy of this brand new barn that's going in.